the green turtle. On a few special nights each year, as many as 20,000 females come ashore here. Their instinct to nest is strong, and many haul themselves far inland in search of nesting space. In a single night, they may lay as many as 2 million eggs. Dawn. This exhausted female has nested, but now she faces a long return journey through the dunes to the sea. As the sun rises, she's at risk of being baked alive. Every inch she travels is grueling. And the ebbing tide has exposed a rocky reef. It has already claimed many lives. Other females overcome by heat and exhaustion. Her temperature is rising. She has to keep going. As many as 2,000 female turtles may die here each year. But the coast is always changing. And the turning tide may yet save her.